So for this activity, you get to draw some bugs. And let me show you how you can do that. So I'm going to zoom in here. And you'll want to zoom in too, because when you're zoomed in, it's easier to see your bugs. There we go. Now I'm nice and up close on this bug. And of course, my goal is to draw the other half. And the way I'm going to do that is reflecting across this line, y equals x. So first I'm going to use my line tool. So this box gives me several options for things I can draw, and I actually want to do this one, just the line segment. Let's see, I see that I have a line segment here that's 1, 2, 3, 4 that kind of makes up the head of the bug, so I want another one that's 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. Okay, now my next line segment, I'm going to mirror this part right there, and that should be like that. And then to mirror this part, did you notice this is kind of curved? So since this is curved, I'm actually going to go up here and use my scribble tool. There we go. Not going to be perfect, but it's pretty good. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Okay, now let's do the antenna. I'm going to go back to my line tool. Let's see, and that should be right here. And then another little line kind of pointing backwards from the antenna. Okay. Let me adjust that a bit. Pretty good. Now, how about the eye? I need a circle for my eye, right? So let me go over here to my shapes and get a circle. And then it needs to be right there. So I'm going to draw a circle right there. It's going to fill in by default. So I'm going to change that to transparent. And there we go. Now, the only thing is it's a little bit hard to see, right? So one thing you can do, I'm going to highlight everything I just made. See how I'm drawing a box around everything I just made? I'll show you that again. It selects everything. I drew a box around everything I just drew, and I'm going to change the color of the line so it stands out more, and I'm going to make it thicker, like maybe 3. Aha, much better, huh? So now if I zoom out, you can see that this bug is starting to look pretty good. So those are some of the tools we talked about. We talked about zooming in, we talked about our line tool, our scribble tool, and our circles. And we also said that you can highlight everything you've drawn and then change the color or the thickness of the lines to make it easier to see depending on what you want to do. All right, so have fun drawing some bugs today.